Hello, mathematicians. Miss Yuka and Mr. Regan here for your math lesson.
Hi, grade 2 mathematicians.
Hey friends, welcome back. And this is part 2 of our rich task math problems. I hope you had a wonderful time solving that ketchup bottle problem. And I loved seeing all of your answers. It was really, really great how you persevered and you kept going through those math problems. And today we have another fun problem for you to work on. So your language objective here is I can explain the strategies I use to solve the problem using base 10, decomposing your number line, and how you explain using first, I, then, next, finally, and so on. And for your vocabulary, we will continue with placed value, looking at your hundreds, tens, and ones. And we have addition, and we have subtraction, and we have, yes, also our hundreds, tens, and ones, okay? So for a little warm up, here we go. Yes. What patterns do you notice? I like the pretty diamonds. Squares, so yeah.
I'm noticing, Mr. Regan, that like the first one on the left, it's kind of like 2 by 2, 2 going down, 2 going across. And then the next one is like 3 by 3. And then it goes to 4 by 4. So it kind of gets bigger. And they're adding more and more as they go that way.
Yeah.
Bigger array.
Bigger arrays. Yeah, we're going to talk about those later in our units. And I did also like how it was, you can still see 4, and then I see 4, and then it's a little bit harder, but then it looks like it's hard to see how many, I guess there's 9 there. So we had 4, 9, and then that's a bigger number. I can't really count that one fast. But the 4 I can count. I can see that really quickly. And 9, you kind of have to count that a little bit. And then this one, ooh, I don't know. Do you have 4, 4, 4? So there's 16.
What patterns did you guys notice, mathematician?
Yeah. What do you notice? Remember, turn and share with your mom or your dad or your brother and sister. Let's see what you notice. Here's our next one. Next slide. So.
All right.
Yes.
So this is a rich task problem for today. So we're going to read the problem for you. Okay. And it says it's called Going Shopping Rich Task. Best Electronics is having a sale. It's the name of a shop. They are selling a TV and DVD player for $625. They're selling a PlayStation and DVD player for $329. So there's a little table there. So it says, if the TV costs $418, how much does the PlayStation cost? Explain your thinking with words, pictures, or numbers. So they would like you to figure out how much does PlayStation cost. But if you read on the top, it has some information for you. So if you buy TV and DVD player, it will cost $625. If you buy PlayStation and DVD player, it will cost $329. So use those information to figure out how much does PlayStation cost. That is your rich task problem for the day. And Mr. Regan has a little reminder for you today.
Yes. So friends, we do want to make sure that you solve that problem using your read, draw, and label, and write your number sentence, and then write your word sentence at the end. So when you write your number sentence and you solve each part, make sure we find that missing amount, and you write that in an equation. And then you write a sentence that kind of sums up what you were counting, what you were looking for that answer. All right.
Yes, and the draw and the label, that's where you're going to show your thinking, right? So that's the most important part. And so we would like to see either base 10, number line, or decomposing, your choice. Okay? So good luck. Enjoy the problem. After you're done, you're going to play games, math games. Again, this wonderful website made by Mr. Alex. Thank you, Mr. Alex. Today's game is called Addition Spin or Subtraction Spin. You've played this before, but it's a great game to play with a partner just to practice your addition and subtraction. today we're just going to model for you how to play the addition spin, okay? And so you're going to play with a partner. So go get your mom, dad's, brothers, or sisters. You're going to need something to write with, okay? And you just need this little cool spinner that we have. And this is how it works.
Miss Yuka and I are going to play addition spin first to model this activity. So remember to go to the site and then you click addition spin. And since I went first last time, Miss Yuka, you can go first this time.
Okay. So what you're going to do is, let's see, the spinner should be coming really soon.
There we go.
There we go. So Mr. Regan is going to spin the first spinner and we'll spin the second spinner to give me the 2 numbers. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay, I'm ready, Mr. Regan. Ooh, what's that? 615, got it. Okay, plus, since it's addition spin, I'm gonna add. All right. 273. So I wrote the problem and I'm just gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Now it's Mr. Regan's turn. He gets to spin and get his 2 3-digit numbers.
My first number is, okay. And my second number, okay, is 398.
All right. Once both of you have your equation, you're going to solve it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Did you finish, Mr. Regan?
Almost.
All right, here we go. So when you're done, you're going to compare your answers. Mr. Regan, my total was 888. I used decomposing to solve my problem. What did you get?
I got 907.
So,
just by a little bit.
Yes, so Mr. Regan has a bigger number. So for addition spin, whoever has a greater number gets a point. So Mr. Regan, you get 1 point. Okay. Do you understand how to play the addition spin? Okay.
Yeah.
Subtraction spin is the same. You use the 2 spinners, right? First number minus the second number. But the person who has the lower number or the least number will get a point because it's a subtraction spin. So that's the math game for today. And I hope you have a great time solving the rich task problem and have fun with the game.
All right, mathematicians, have a wonderful day. We look forward to seeing your post. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.